guys, so I'm here at Roblox, so they said stop. Yeah, that one. So I'm finding the laughing sound. It's a weird sound. Yeah. He's always here at the server joining. Let's see. There. This is one. He said he's a hacker. Yeah. So let's see at the dashing. That's one. That is his name. And look at this. Dashing0505. That is him. And this boy said, I'm hacker, looks me. What? Where did he go? Oh my god, he can fly? Is that real, guys? Is the hacker can fly? And now he fall. I think he's a hacker too. I said, let's say, can you hack me? I said, can you hack me? Because maybe he's a hacker. Now let's wait to be hacked by him. Something is not happening. Maybe that's not. Oh my god. What's happened? Oh no. Oh no. I just left the game. What did he hack me? Really? Oh my god. Oh no. I just left at the server at Brookhaven. Oh no. Maybe he's a real hacker. Is this real, guys? Is this real? Oh my god. Look, I'm over here in the lobby of the at the Roblox. Look, this Brookhaven. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe this is the end of my Roblox. Let me join. Oh my god. I wish I can join. Oh no, I can't join anymore. Help me, guys. Help me, thank you.